Welcome back to Sick Puppy 4x4 boys. You're probably wondering why I've got a piece of bamboo in my hand. The reason is we've seen a post saying that bamboo is one of the most strongest and most well-used, versatile pieces of sticks you can ever get. So we thought, why don't we make a lift kit out of it? Very simple. All we got to do is replace our spring with a hunk of bamboo, and then all we got to do is lift the quad to as high as we want and cut the bamboo to suit. First things first, we need a motor for our quad. We have a motor, but it's in a little quad and it's got little bitch shocks. We don't want little bitch shocks. We need some big ones to fit our bamboo in. All right, we need to do a transplant from one quad to another, and then we can begin. Heart transplant. Engine's in. Now we can start cutting and shutting for our shock spurs. I'm going to bring the front end up, take out these old crappy working shocks. And I'm going to set the height that I want. I'm going to slide our bamboo in, cut it to how high it needs to be, and then simply place it in there and zip tie it into place. What's the worst that could happen? Before you little say anything about where the fuck is Spud and leaving 400 fucking comments, he's at fucking work. He's got a job unlike you fucks. Fuck off. Alright, we got our shocks ready to go. Just need to remove this last spring and then we're going to set them in and see how it sits. Yeet. That'll work, right? Alright, that's the front done. Now what we've got to do is the rear, and then we're ready to try it out. Alright, there you have it. Front's done, rear's done. I'm going to have this plank of timber, so that way if that one slips out, it's not going to go up your protective seat. Alright, so now I'm going to roll it out, give it a test run. Nothing is strapped in, it's all just sitting there by its own weight, so that's all you need. As long as you don't jump it. Alright, here we go, maiden voyage. We're going to take her around, see how she handles some normal driving, and then we're going to up the ante from there. Ready, boys? Fuck, I hate these things. I just went for the maiden voyage, found out the motor's a little bit loose, so it's jumping all over the place. So I'm just going to tighten it up. I'm going to go again. This throttle does nothing. No, you got to accelerate and it's doing this. Okay, we're going to try again. Oh, that got a bit scary there for a second. The throttle got stuck. And then I couldn't stop it. And then I tried to fix it and it went faster. And then I tried to bail and then the foot peg broke off. So, the suspension, absolutely beautiful. As for the rest of the quad, nah, it's going in the scrap heap. It's a bit dangerous, especially Spud's fucking throttle. We'll have a look on the damage The rear fell off, but that was only after hitting the tree. It's still good to go. We can put that one back in. Front's still looking good. We will rebuild. Not only can it be used as suspension, it is also a good foot peg. Alright, so we've got a new and improved version. This one's got new foot pegs, new throttle, and I've given it a bit of a meaner look. We ready to rumble, boys? That's smooth. Seems to be a reoccurring theme. Alrighty, chain's back on. I'm gonna pull a Yui, head up the back where some rough stuff is, because this is doing a little too well so far. Yeah, keep in mind, this is all just sitting here. There's nothing tied it in. One bump and this could all unfold. Look at where this chain's come up. It stopped me there and I was heading for that. Alright, here we go. Holy shit! Let's inspect the damage here, boys. Did the back stay on? No, the back didn't. Where'd the back go? I'm so glad I had my, because that probably, you know where that would have went. Oh dear. Do you reckon warranty will cover this? So the good thing about this, piece of bamboo, what, $5? Place your springs and go again. Alright, I'm hungover, I don't feel like fucking fixing this thing. So for now, I got a bamboo shard. We're gonna set the throttle flat out, aim it for the scrap heap and see how good the suspension really is. So if I stay on it, we're probably going to die, so we're going to be ghosting it into some rough terrain. Let's go. Alrighty, we've aimed it up, stick the throttle, see how it handles our scrap pile. The final send off for this beautiful creation. Well, that didn't work. In typical sick puppy fashion, nothing we have tried today works, apart from these brilliant bamboo springs. This thing seems to be the Fence Finder 2000, so about 15 trees, 2 piles of rubbish and 2 sinkholes. It avoided them all and took out the fence. So we're going to line it up a bit shorter this time, and hopefully it ends up in the rubbish pile.
This
fucking thing. Fuck, this piece of shit's going in the bin. Alright, I'm just gonna have to show it where to go. Fucking chain come off just before. Gonna be a 45-minute episode of me trying to get this thing to hit something other than the fence. What is that chair made of? I have found the world's strongest chair. Well, there you have it, guys. Bamboo can be used as a quality substitute for coil springs or leaf springs. So give it a go. You'll love it. I don't even want to burn the whole quad. It just performed flawlessly. Bitch. If you don't think you're getting enough Sick Puppy, Patreon is where you need to be. You get to see the behind the scenes. Every week we don't post to YouTube, we post a video to our Patreon. There's also a forum. You can talk to me, Maddie, Chef Spud, and our cameraman Declan to discuss upcoming episodes and what we have planned. You get a free sticker when you sign up. You can pick how much you want to pledge. It's as simple as that. If you want some merch, Headlock is where you need to be. Headlock.com.au. You can get the hydration session shirts, hydration session coolers, and heaps of other stickers we got on there. Alrighty guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. You'll see this quad in another episode coming up soon, so stay tuned. Hit that like button, comment, share it. See you next week.